Hi there. Today, we'll learn how to speed up and slow down a video with ActivePresenter 7. Let's get started. You can see in the timeline, this is a video that I have just inserted. In case you need to insert videos, please see link in the description below. Note that ActivePresenter lets you speed up or slow down not only the entire video but also just a part of it. Now I want to change the playback speed of this entire video. Before we start, you should make the waveform bar height larger to easily see the change. Just right-click the video object in the timeline, click waveform bar height, and select large. Okay, now let's see the original video first. To change playback speed of this video, initially, you have to select the video object in the timeline. Then click the Change Playback Speed button. A dialog will pop up and allow you to specify a value for the playback speed. From here, this value is in range of 10% to 1000%. Whichever the value which is greater than 100 will make your video play faster and vice versa. Then click OK to apply the change. Let's see the change. You can see all sounds and actions display faster than before. If you want to go back to the previous speed, just click the Change Playback Speed button again. Select Reset to Original Speed, then click OK. So, the speed will be back to its original. Sometimes, when editing a video, there will be some ranges that you want them to play faster or slower. You can also do that in ActivePresenter with ease. First, you need to select a video range in the timeline, just by dragging the playhead markers along the timeline ruler. Here is a part of the video that I have just selected. Suppose that I want to slow down its playback speed. Let's see the original playback speed so you can easily see its change later. Then take the same steps as when changing playback speed for the entire video. I will specify the playback speed as 30 to make it play slower than normal. In the timeline, you can see the edited video range is marked by two red vertical markers here. They show where the range starts and ends. Let's see how slower the playback speed of this video range has been. If you are not satisfied with the edited playback speed of the selected video range, you can also go back to its original speed as when doing that for the entire video. Before that, make sure to select the edited video range. As you can see, when I drag the playhead markers to select the range, they will snap to these two red vertical markers by vertical orange lines. This is the timeline snapping mode in ActivePresenter that helps you navigate the timeline easier. Fortunately, it is enabled by default. If it is off, don't worry. Just go to the View tab and click Timeline Snapping to turn it on. After selecting the range, click the Change Playback Speed button. Select Reset to Original Speed and click OK. So the original playback speed of the selected video range has been restored. ActivePresenter also allows you to change playback speed of different ranges in a video. If you wonder what is the fastest way in case you want to restore the original speed of all of ranges, I'll give you a tip. Instead of restoring speed for each range, just select the video and restore the original speed of the entire video. This will save your time. So, that's it. Thank you for watching.